morning, everybody. Welcome to another Daily Market Report brought to you by Mike Bjork. Today is Tuesday, February 7th. A little wet down here in SoCal today, so good day to be indoors. Again, it's a light week this week. We have job openings for economic news releases. Not a big release, but it's definitely something to keep an eye open. And this is for December's numbers. So October, we had 3.1 job openings. And for December, it actually jumped up to 3.4. So more jobs to be had, which is a good sight to view. So hopefully we can see more of that arising. Now we'll jump over to headline news. This is where most of our news will be dictated today. Stock market currently is up, and most of it is to part of this. Reports of progress in Greek negotiations, and also Bernanke talking in front of Congress today about cutting their long-term debt, as that imposes critical moments in our U.S. Financial structure if we don't create some type of plan to cut the long-term debt. Short-term, obviously, we have to try to stimulate the economy, but we need to at least try to figure out over long-term to be able to reduce that deficit that we are currently involved in. And we might find ourselves in a situation like basically Europe is right now, or even worse. So let's. Other item to note I noticed is SEC is about to announce some new restrictions on U.S. financial institutions on money market funds. Basically, they're trying to create a new plan. This has been in the works for a couple of years now, and basically are making them have more of a capital reserves to reduce any collapse like Schuster Lehman did back when the market collapsed back around '08. This is something that will possibly be coming out here very shortly. This is something that right now they're expecting something to be announced here shortly from the SEC. We'll go right to interest rates, see where the bond market is today. And as you can see, the red, that means the market's down. We kind of had, we really didn't move much yesterday, as you can see with the wicks. But today we're down currently about 15 basis points. We're just touching out the 10-day moving average and at the bottom of the floor. We do have room to go, as mentioned a few weeks ago. We still had that gap opening. As I mentioned today, right here, we still have room to go. Probably another 20 basis points. We could probably go to reduce that to close that gap. Then potentially we could either go up or we could go down. So this week is, like I said, it's a light week, so it's going to be more what's out there, headline news that will kind of dictate this week. All right, folks. But as a whole, interest rates did go up a little bit today as a result. And again, I would expect them to continue to go up a little bit as we close that gap at some point. So, you guys have a wonderful day. Stay dry, and also, if you guys are on my site, please subscribe and get your free daily updates. Have a great day.